Hello and welcome. We're doing chapter 24, talking about carbohydrates. And section 1 is very brief. They just introduce you to the concept of carbohydrates. And carbohydrates are the energy source on the planet. So sunlight eventually gets converted into starches, and that's how sugars are formed and stored in plants for use later on. And in humans, animals, things like this, glucose or glycogen that's stored in the liver is used as an energy source in our bodies. So sugars are going to contain an aldehyde or a ketone, okay, near the end of the molecule, and it's going to be containing many different hydroxyl groups. So of course these are water soluble, okay? So in the process of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water are combined with energy to form sugars. And this glucose here contains 6 carbons, okay? And it contains 6 oxygens and 12 hydrogens. So it has the formula CH2O6. So this is carbons or carbo, and this is water or a hydrate. So that's the word. That's where the word carbohydrate came from. Okay, it always seems to have a formula that's based on 1 carbon and 1 water, either 4 or 5 or 6 or something like that. So it actually is because of where it comes from. Okay, 1 carbon comes from carbon dioxide, and there's water molecules. Okay, so 6 carbons, 6 water molecules. So this is glucose, for example, and this is photosynthesis. And respiration is the reverse process of this. It's basically just burning glucose. Is it respiration or I forget the biological term for this. I'm sorry, I won't even say what the label is there. But in animals, humans included, glucose is combined with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Okay, we were breathing out carbon dioxide all the time. All those carbon atoms are coming from glucose molecules and water vapor. Okay, so this is how we get energy. Okay, and in photosynthesis, energy is obtained from sunlight. So that's all I want to say about section 1. Let's go ahead and get started into the chemistry now.